Jingmih jingpyrshang na kynhun halor jingbun kynthup lang ya Ktien Pnar ha State Anthem kabadang pyllait shen na liang Myntri Rangbah Jylla Conrad ke Sangma hynne sngi uloong ba kila pyrkhat Sani bha shwa bakin shim katei karai. Laban kdew hangne baya State Anthem ha Ktien Khasi Garo bat Ktien English la laban pyllait pat ba dangshan ha jing rakhe ya lungkho dap san pu arsenam Jylla kabalong hanong ba tura.
Minister in charge of Art and Culture must have already replied to these concerns and he will give more details about all the facts and figures. But our basic point is that there is a notification and a provision of associate official languages which are two in the state. And based on that, the official language and the two associate official languages, that is English is official language and the two associate official languages, these two languages have been taken. We have to base any decision that we make from the government side based on provisions that are there in acts or laws or rules or regulations. And hence, for us to be able to do that, there has to be some provision in the act itself or in the necessary rules itself. Hence, we have gone purely on the basis of that, and we have given the languages on the basis of the official language and the associate official language. If we are deviating from that, then we don't have any reason to give for others who may demand tomorrow. So tomorrow we may have Hoi saying that we would want at least one word of Hoi also being there, or one word from different other tribes who are there. They're saying, please give us also. And if you were to justify saying that, well, we can't, then they would say that, well, we have given to this language, that language. And hence, justification becomes very difficult for government. So government cannot arbitrarily do things. We have to do things based on certain provisions that are there in different rules or acts that are in the system. And that is the reason why